The engine overheat warning light indicates that your engine temperature is higher than normal. Ignoring it can lead to severe engine damage. Here are the most common causes. 1. Low coolant level. Coolant absorbs heat from the engine and helps maintain the correct operating temperature. If the coolant level is low due to a leak or lack of maintenance, the engine can overheat. 2. Faulty radiator fan. The radiator fan helps cool the coolant, especially when driving at low speeds or idling. If the fan stops working, heat cannot dissipate properly. 3. Bad thermostat. The thermostat regulates coolant flow through the engine. If it gets stuck closed, coolant cannot circulate properly, causing overheating. 4. Water pump failure. The water pump circulates coolant throughout the cooling system. A damaged or worn water pump can prevent proper coolant flow and lead to overheating. 5. Clogged or damaged radiator. A radiator blocked by dirt, debris, or internal corrosion cannot efficiently remove heat from the coolant. 6. Broken cooling fan relay or fuse. Even if the radiator fan itself is good, a blown fuse or faulty relay can prevent it from operating. 7. Heavy engine load. Towing, climbing steep hills, carrying heavy loads, driving in high RPMs, or driving in extremely hot weather can increase engine temperatures. 8. Low engine oil. Engine oil reduces friction and helps remove heat. Low oil levels can increase engine temperature and contribute to overheating. 9. Head gasket failure. A blown head gasket can allow coolant to leak into the engine or combustion gases to enter the cooling system, often causing persistent overheating.